Hello everyone, so here I'm going to show you how to turn an early product idea into a clear product strategy document using an AI skill. So for the purpose of this example, I'm thinking about a family travel planning app idea that we'll call TripMate. To begin using this skill, I'm going to launch Slingshot CLI. From there, I'm going to start finding the strategy skill. So you can see here there is a few skills out here. One of the skills is going to be strategies. Yeah, there you go. That's a strategy skill. So I'm going to open that skill, and that's going to launch the product strategy workflow. And this workflow does a few things. It checks if there is a strategy document already that exists, and if it doesn't exist, it's going to offer to create a strategy document by taking me through an interview process where I'm going to answer a few questions, and it is going to create the strategy document. So the first question here it's asking me is that what is the core problem TripMate solves, and what makes that problem hard right now? So I'm going to say something like families visiting a city with children spend hours switching between maps and reviews and booking sites to decide how to use their limited time. And then planning is hard because the choices are disconnected and difficult to match to children's needs, parents' preferences, budget, and schedule. So that is the problem statement, and is going to condense that into one sentence. Okay, now we have done explaining what is the problem we're trying to solve. It's asking us the next question. So given the problem, what is your approach? What is the one guiding commitment or principle that makes the problem solvable? So here I'm going to say TripMate will prioritize one flexible family ready plan that balances kid-friendly stops, travel time, and parents' constraints so that families can make confident choices without juggling fragmented travel information. Okay, so provided that answer, how we expect TripMate to solve the problem. Now, the next question it asks is who is the primary user? What job are they hiring TripMate to do? That user is a parent planning a 3-day city break with children. So put that in here. So it's saying what 3 to 5 metrics will tell you whether the approach is working. So I will say I will use only one metric for success. And the metric is plan completion rate, the percentage of plans that reach a full 3-day itinerary. So it suggested adding a couple more supporting metrics. So one is the plan completion rate that we had. Second is median time to complete, median time from plan start to completed itinerary. Third is repeat usage within 90 days. Okay, so those look good. I'm going to accept the proposed 3 metrics. Okay, now it's further evolving the strategy document. It's saying what are the 2 to 4 tracks of work you are investing in to execute this approach. So I would say the first one is personalization, and the reason we are doing this is to make the family ready plan specific to their real constraints. Okay, it's suggested 2 more. So it's suggested logistics and travel time optimization to minimize transit time, so that's good. Third is partnerships and bookings, integrate availability, ticketing, and trusted local partners so plans can be executed without juggling external sites. Great, so these all look good. So I'm going to accept the proposed 3 tracks of work. Now it asks me any externally visible milestones to capture, like launch date, etc. So we'll skip the milestones, and that's it. It's going ahead and creating the strategy document. And that's it. Now we have our strategy document created, and we can click from here to see the document. Yeah, you can see the strategy document over here outside the context of Slingshot CLI. So that's how you can go about creating a strategy document with a skill to assist you. The cool thing is that anybody in the enterprise can use this skill, and leverage it to create their own strategy documents in a consistent way, following enterprise guidelines and standards so that there is consistency across multiple projects. Thank you.